And we can skin a buck, we can run a trot line, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.
Hey there guys, I just took off the chassis. And now I'm gonna put the other one on. But first, I think I cleaned it before, but I didn't do a very good job. There's some stuff under there I want to get out. You can see it there. It's pretty dirty. I think just the back one would be good. And then this old chassis, that's the new one. That's gonna go on. I'm gonna put everything on. This winter, I'm gonna dye it instead of doing it right now. This winter I'll dye it. But after that I'll get back with you. Actually, I lied. I'm gonna dye it right now because I'd rather have new parts and then have these for spare, these for spare, this for spare, and then have that for spare, servo mounts for spare, all that good stuff. You don't care. Yeah, not very good, huh? See the fly? Get it. Sorry about all the baby toys in the background. For my little niece. She's a year old and 2 months or something like that. She's got all these toys back here. She likes to play with it. She's just learning to walk right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and dye all these parts. And after that, I'll get back with you. Well, actually, I'll get back with you after I clean this, and I'll clean that. And then I'll get back to you. Okay. Here it is. I forgot to do an update when I cleaned the rear bulkhead and stuff, but here it is complete, just about. Still gotta get rebuild kit for steering servo. I got to put the servo and linkage on there along with the bell crank for the throttle. Put all these wires away, put them in there, put the lid on, and then I will be officially done. Put brand new skid plates on, front and rear. Put the chassis braces on brand new. I gotta put the center skid plate on one day. Put the new chassis on, obviously. The new motor, the new gas tank, new battery box, new receiver box, new servo, old servo, new shock towers, old bulkheads and old bulkhead braces. And put the easy start wiring system in, sort of. Put the new fuel line in. Let's see. I think that's it. Pretty sure. Looks pretty good though. That's what I'm using for lighting right now, just in my room. Random thing in my room. Really nice and bright, so I like using it. Well, thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next video.